Welcome back. What a great day in Trinidad. Sunny skies, just a few fair weather puffies passing by, and an equally nice day in Cripple Creek where you can see motorcycles, pedestrians, cars, buses, everybody out and about on a beautiful day across the area today. When you check out the almanac for today, I want to point out just the high and low compared to the average, a little above in the Springs and significantly above in Pueblo. I've got some more stats for you as well that I've been culling because it's been on my mind lately. So, discovered that since January 1st, Colorado Springs has had only 29% of high temperatures come in at or below average. All the rest since January 1st have been above average. And in Pueblo, the number, 35% of days since New Year's have come in at or below average. All the rest, 65.5%, the rest of the days have been above average. And one more stat for your thinking tonight. Pueblo, since January 1st, has had 10 days of highs at least 70, one for Colorado Springs. That's a pretty warm winter as we close out winter here. Satellite radar, nothing to speak of going on east of the Continental Divide. Clear skies from the I-25 corridor all the way out through the plains of Colorado. You gotta go out towards Vail to get out towards some partly to mostly cloudy skies, and the moisture is lingering behind it over the border towards Salt Lake City. And that's part of a storm that's pretty large, but it's not overly intense. And more importantly, the storm itself is moving northwards towards the Canadian border, so we only get the stripe of moisture along this cold front, which will bring gusty winds tomorrow night, and a period of rain to snow for the Front Range and snow for the higher elevations. But I don't think it's going to be all that much moisture and probably relegated to El Paso County northwards. So here's the hour by hour through this evening. The storm slowly rolls northwards towards Canada with its passport. The trailing cold front gets hung up in the mountain range. So tomorrow morning it'll be a bright start to the day. It'll stay bright through midday. Now we're at noon. Still pretty clear across the Front Range here. Snow going on now in the mountains. The wind picking up in the mountains as well. And as we get closer to home here, the skies begin to fade in the afternoon hours, where you and I are here in the Front Range, and the winds pick up towards evening. Teller County picks up some snow after 4 or 5 o'clock, and that spreads into northern El Paso County tomorrow night. Show you the snow forecast, because as you can see, by 5:30 tomorrow evening, no snow falling yet locally. Now by 2 a.m., we've got a dusting to a coating in Woodland Park, maybe an inch in Monument, and it continues a little bit more from Monument and Lyman. But as you can see, from Colorado Springs southwards, not generating any moisture across the area. So here's the bottom line. Dry for Sunday daytime, wind, rain to snow Sunday night for a period of maybe 3 to 5 hours during the graveyard shift for the most part. Blustery cold for Monday, and spring begins Tuesday. But Monday will feel like winter. Lows tonight, upper 20s, low 30s. Tomorrow, close to today, not quite as warm. Upper 40s to lower 60s. 7-day forecast. Tomorrow night, that's the chance for some rain to snow after, let's say, 10 p.m. for the Springs. And then it winds down overnight. Then Monday, I have a 1 only because there's a possibility of that light snow overnight, Sunday night into Monday morning. But it's not going to amount to much. And Monday, probably a wind-blown flurry, but that's about it. First day of spring, dry, seasonable. Tuesday, and then Wednesday, 60. Thursday, 72. No further moisture in sight. Pueblo, 63 tomorrow. Sunshine through midday. Boy, I'm really not sanguine about your chances for any moisture at all tomorrow night. Blustery and colder on the last day of winter. A little warmer on the first day of spring. Look at Thursday, 78 for a forecast high. And the same deal for Canyon City. I doubt you'll see a drop or a flake. 48 on Monday, 55 on Tuesday, 63 on Wednesday. Nice on Thursday. Woodland Park, here you go. Tomorrow afternoon and evening, rain to snow showers. You might get an inch or two. Lingering flurries in the breeze with a few breaks of sun on Monday. And then the first day of spring is dry, warms up Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So we go from calendar winter into some winter tomorrow night into Monday, and then into spring right on cue Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
I really hope we can wring out some moisture.
Anything we can get, but I think El Paso County northwards is really the only chance tomorrow night.
All right, thanks, Jeff.